Okay, I'm going to do a brief demonstration here of how Cloud Extend for Salesforce can send an HTML formatted email message out to a lead or a contact in Salesforce. Here on my screen I have a lead record for this guy Bill Sheldon. If I expand the Cloud Extend Guides section, I have this guide over here called Select an HTML email to send to the lead. This could also send the HTML formatted email message to a contact. When I run that guide, we get an introductory screen that tells me I can send a close the file message, a follow-up on inquiry message, or an introductory message, and it gives me some instructions on what each one will do. If I click the introduction button, I get an HTML formatted email message that I can look at. It's got some graphics. It has some different fonts and different sizes. I didn't try to design this to look good. I just did it to show various areas that could be used by Cloud Extend for Salesforce. I can edit this message. I could say we have a mutual friend who suggested I contact you. Of course, I should probably say who that mutual friend is, but I'll leave it mysterious. When I click continue, that message is sent, and if I check my email inbox, I'll see that I have that message with all of the formatting intact, including that custom or that addition that I made directly myself. I have this set up to email these messages to myself so that I'm not sending out email messages to our prospects for demo purposes. Now, if I come back in and I run that guide again, this time I might decide to send a follow-up on inquiry message, and so I get a different message. I have the App Exchange logo down here. I could say hope the ROI doc we sent was useful, and I'll correct my little typo over here, and we'll put an exclamation point at the end. And when I click continue, this message will also get sent to me. Again, I've hard-coded this to send it to myself. And if I check my email inbox and update this, we see I've got that follow-up on Cloud Extend inquiry. There's that custom text. We have the App Exchange logo. Then one last one that I'll show is run the same guide again. This time I'm going to send a close the file message. Haven't heard back from you. Attempted to contact you on several occasions. I won't even modify this one. I'll just send it. And when I check my email messages, I should see that I've got that close the file message in there. Seems you're not interested. So there it is, a demo that shows how you can select from a suite of HTML formatted email messages. You can modify them directly. I didn't really show it, but at runtime you are able to change the formatting using the little embedded HTML editor that we provide. So I could have, I guess I did show this. I guess I did do some different fonts, and again, I could come in and change the fonts entirely on this to something like comic. No, I probably wouldn't do that. The way this guide was designed is pretty simple. This is the guide itself. Now, this is just an example. This is a small fragment of what you could include in a much larger Cloud Extend guide. So the introductory screen just says, pick the type of message you want to send. I set that up just by typing in and setting the screen up directly. And then here's the automated step that sends the email message. If I go into the body, here's where I'm able to edit the default text that the user is then able to augment or edit when they're running this at runtime. So hope this was useful. Again, this is just a small fragment of a Cloud Extend guidance tree that could be included in a much larger process, but at any point in the process you could send out HTML formatted email messages to your contacts or to your leads.